Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping, and today I got a prize from Timu Fishland. They had a little thing where if I came back for 7 days or something like that and fed the fish so many grams of fish food that I would get an extra prize, and it was a daily streak kind of thing. And I had picked these 50 pack of laundry sheets, but when I got it today, it's they changed. I don't know, the description or whatever must have been wrong, because I got the anti-cross dyeing absorbent paper, which is not what I wanted. I was looking for the laundry sheets to add to my Plano tote for laundry. So I got the fabric color absorbers, which I don't use and I don't need to. I don't have anything that bleeds with anything anyways. And if I do get new shirts, I just put them in with the same colored laundry so it doesn't have a problem with it. So I'm going to give this to a friend of mine that can use them, and I did find out. I decided to try this because it was a free prize, and I figured, well, it was not what they said it was going to be. And so I tried doing a wrong item return, and they did actually credit me after a review of it. And I had stated that it was during the return thing that I was supposed to be getting laundry sheets, and the description said it was laundry sheets and laundry paper, and then it came with the fabric color absorbers. So after sending some photos of the thing, because this was considered one package, because it's the only thing that came in the item, it had to go back as a package, or had to be put in as a package return. So I had to take photos of everything and get it to go back. But anyways, by doing that, they just gave me the credit of a hundred, Jesus, $1.48. So they credited me the cost of the item, even though it was a free item that I won. But I mean, it did take time, and I wouldn't have spent that much time on that game at that point, but I figured, hey, to add stuff to my laundry crate, that would be awesome. So I took a little extra time and did the feeding streak thing to get the prize. And like I said, it's fabric color absorbers, not laundry sheets. So, and after all of that, of the return and everything, they just said that I could keep the item, donate it, or recycle it, which I don't know why I would recycle a brand new product. So I'm going to give it to a friend of mine that does use the color sheets, and that way I'm not going to have something sitting around. So I get to help somebody else out. They credited me for the time spent doing it, and I just won't be able to put another package in my tote right now. So I figured I'd do a little video to let you know, hey, if you do get something wrong on your prizes, just do the return thing. They'll credit you, and then you can do with whatever. Although it doesn't happen very often. This description was kind of confusing, and when you pick prizes, you don't get to really see the whole description very well. So that's something they have to work on. But anyways, it's going to go to a good home, and yeah, that's what's going on right now. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day. May God bless each and every one of you to overflowing, and may He keep you, your friends, and family safe. Bye for now.